Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Steve with R.N.FitLife, and today we're working on back with the lower hammer strength rows. And as always, the routine is in the description if you care to follow. The main focus with this exercise is full range of motion. Look how I'm really stretching my whole back out for each rep. I'm really focusing on the stretch. I'm really expanding, really opening my lats to get a good stretch and then pulling the weight back in to complete that full range of motion. Again, with each new set, we're going to increase the weight. And don't worry if your reps drop. I'd rather you get your form correct than focusing on increasing the weight. Next, we're doing dumbbell rows. And in order to begin this exercise, try to have the dumbbell on the side of which leg you have forward. What I mean by this, for example, if you have your left leg forward, have the dumbbell on your left side, pulling to your hips. And if you have your right leg forward, have the dumbbell on your right side, pulling to your hips. And when you begin this exercise, you want to open up your lats as much as you can and try to keep your weight on your heel as you're pulling the weight up so your body stays stabilized and you're not rocking back and forth. This exercise targets your lats, your middle and lower traps, and your rhomboids, which are located between your shoulder blades. This exercise can also be taxing sometimes because depending on how much weight you're using. So try to use good form. Next, we're doing single cable rows. It's a great exercise to focus on any imbalances you may have in your lats. Create a slight lean when sitting on the bench and have your arms come down on an angle, not just straight down towards your head. And target your lower lats and stretch it at the bottom. Pause for a second before coming right back up. Now, I will say that not all gyms might have this particular machine. So all you really got to do is just find a cable machine, any cable machine with a single handle, and you can still perform the same exercise. As you can see, I'm controlling the weight. I'm moving the weight seamlessly. I'm also controlling the negative. And as you also notice is that my arm is coming down into an angle, which is activating my latator muscles. This is what you want to focus on when you're doing this exercise.
Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, hit the like and subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, hit that notification button so that you know every time when I drop a new video.
Next exercise, here we will be doing some cable rope lat press downs. And how I begin this exercise is I try to create some space away from the weight stack and slightly lean forward to create a stretch on my lats as possible, keeping my chest forward, and then I press down on the rope to my hips, and then I contract my lats in the process. If you would like to intensify this workout and make it a little bit more challenging, you can actually do a drop set. After completing your last set, which is the fourth set, you will actually then drop the weight and go right into another working set, and then continue that doing either 5 to 10 reps, drop it again, the weight even some more, another 10 reps, and you will have completed a double drop set. And here we're going to focus on barbell shrugs, where we're going to focus on the trapezoid muscles, and this is going to give you that extra muscle sitting on top of your shoulders. This exercise I perform as a last exercise when doing my shoulders. I tend to do it in the facing forward position and also behind me, just to give it more volume on my shoulders. Try this out. Let me know what you think. As always, I hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe, comment. Until next time, guys, I see you in the next video.